Hey guys, this is question MM048 for the Maths Methods Sharpened Study Guide. We've got the graph of y equals 2ax take 3 intersects the graph of y equals 2x squared take 4x at two distinct points 4. So we've got two graphs, a linear and a quadratic, and we're trying to find out when they intersect each other, basically. So let's start with the most important part. Y equals 2ax take 3 and y equals 2x squared take 4x. So we know that whenever two graphs intersect each other, the way that we find out the x value of that intersection point is we make the two equations equal each other. So here we've got 2x squared take 4x equals 2ax take 3. So from here we get 0 equals 2x squared take 4x take 2ax plus 3. Bringing all this together, bring the like terms together, we get 2x squared plus negative 4 take 2ax plus 3. So now we've got it in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is 2, b is this section here, and c is 3. So how do we actually work out when we have two distinct points of intersection? We have to use the discriminant here. So the discriminant is equal to b squared take 4ac, and this is the part under the square root in the quadratic formula. So in order to have two distinct points or two solutions for this, the discriminant must be positive. And the reason why is because that would then give a positive and negative version of the square root under that graph. Oh, sorry, under that square root. So we know that our discriminant has to be greater than 0 for us to have two distinct points. If that was one distinct point, we would let the discriminant equal 0. So from here, we know that b squared take 4ac is greater than 0 because the discriminant is b squared take 4ac. And what we then do is we actually sub in these values here. So b squared is this section here, so negative 4 take 2a squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 3. And that is greater than 0, which means that 16 minus 4 times negative 2a is positive 8a, times that by 2 is 16a, plus 4a squared minus 24 is greater than 0. Putting the like terms together, we get 4a squared plus 16a take 8 is greater than 0. And from here we can take a factor of 4 out. A squared plus 4a take 2 is greater than 0, which means that a squared plus 4a take 2 is greater than 0. Using your CAS calculator at this point to solve for a, I would actually plug in this right here, and your CAS should tell you that a is less than negative 2 take root 6, or a is greater than negative 2 plus root 6, which actually corresponds to our answer D. A is less than negative 2 take root 6, or a is greater than negative 2 plus root 6.